Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that Husqvarna 272 XP chainsaw. That's a 72cc 4.4 cubic inch motor. This saw is very popular in the Pacific Northwest, capable of running up to a 40-inch bar. This one features I think we've got a 20 on this measured seat. Actually a 18-inch bar and chain. Good setup for cutting firewood fast. Power head weighs 13.7 pounds. And let's take a look at some of the features on this saw. Kill switch on the left here. Throttle lock in the middle. You can squeeze the trigger and throttle lock that. Holds the throttle open for easier starting. It does have that popular foot pad hand protector right here. You can see it helps protect your hand in case of a chain throw. Got some area there to help protect you. And it doubles up as a foot pad. You can put your foot there. Start this on the ground. Get a good grip of that handlebar with the hand and fire it up. Choke is on the right. Got the large quiet tone muffler. Chain tensioner, you loosen the two lug nuts up right here. Right on the inside here is your tensioner. It's got those large double falling spikes and the popular wrap handlebar. Just a good running saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.